Hello, and welcome to the presentation of the newest Education Abroad program in Italy, Crossroads of Culture in the Mediterranean. I'm Professor Fogu, Director of Italian and Transnational Italian Studies at UCSB, and I've created this program in collaboration with colleagues at the University of Naples, L'Orientale. Crossroads of Culture in the Mediterranean is a 4-week summer program that invites students to explore how exchange and conflict have marked the history of the Mediterranean liquid continent, and in particularly the history of Italy and specifically of the Italian South. Taking place on the enchanting island of Procida, right in front of Naples. The program will also expose students to a unique model of experiential learning. As you can see from the two images I'm showing, the island of Procida is the very emblem of a crossroad of cultures, with its fortified Christian citadel defending the island from the incursions of slave traders between the Middle Ages and the early modern period, sitting right above the most colorful harbor in the Mediterranean, La Corricella, a spectacular example of spontaneous architecture that syncretized elements from both Christian Europe and Arab Muslim North Africa. And everything we will study in this classroom on Procida will also be like the island itself. It will be an experience that will lead you from classroom to field trips that we will take in the surrounding islands and mainland to experience the path of history in this area for centuries. So let me now take you through the program. The program is a 10 units program, a 4 weeks summer program between June 19th and July 17th in 2021. And the program is designed to take you through over 3,000 years of history from the times of the arrival of the Mycenaeans on the island of Procida all the way to present day multicultural Naples. Your voyage through antiquity will be guided by my colleague Matteo D'Acunto, professor of archaeology at the Orientale University and also director of the digs at Cuma, one of the most prestigious archaeological sites in the area. And then the second part of the course, the second 2 weeks, I will be your teacher and will take up the story from the Mediterranean Middle Ages to the present. As I said, the fundamental essence of this program are its field trips. You will not only appreciate fully the artistic and architectural treasures of Procida, but you will also visit the most famous sites and art cities in the area, beginning with the first site inhabited by the Greeks, the first colony in Italy on the island of Ischia, continuing with the beautiful Greek ruins of Cuma and Paestum, and then with the Roman imprint on the area, Baia, Pozzuoli, Herculaneum, and Pompeii, two of the most famous archaeological sites in history, and of course the island of Capri, the island of the emperors. And then we will continue through the Middle Ages with visits to Amalfi and of course Naples, both ancient and early modern, and of course modern and contemporary Naples. You can find all the information on the program on our website, Crossroads of Culture in Mediterranean, under the EAP website, or you can contact me for any information on the program or on applications at claudiofogu@ucsb.edu. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to hearing from any of you who is interested in the program.